So, Linda and I are now at Mossman Gorge National Park. Linda's got the brolly behind me. Now, what better way to come and visit the rainforest than to come on a day when it's really wet and you can truly appreciate the beauty of this place. We're starting to climb a bit, so I'm starting to get a bit short of breath. But the rainforest is great. I'll flip the camera around and just see how beautiful it is. So we're now on the suspension bridge at Mossman Gorge. You're making it all wobbly. You can really start to hear the power of the gorge, the water flowing through it.
Google is our language name, Yalanji People's Place. So Google Yalanji. Our country here extends from south to Port Douglas, Marbury River to the tip of Cooktown. We also have the finishing office Savannah area in our country. Our boundaries there are Laura, Chiligo, Macarbon, Mount Malloy, Blacktown and Mustin. So we're quite lucky in the way we have an upper Savannah area, especially in the middle of our country. Two heritage sites that meet together, the Daintree Rainforest, which is the Great Barrier Reef. So smoking ceremony here once again plays an important ritual that we do when we greet strangers to our country. So this year we use paper bark. Paper bark comes from the Melaleuca tree. This year we're utilizing for pillow, roofing and blankets. This is what they make tea tree oil out of this. The Melaleuca only we find in the mangroves area. During the wet season it's easier to strip it out. So we use our hands or not spears to get most of it out. So we probably at least stripping at least 45 centimeters worth of paper bark out. But most importantly we use it for the smoking ceremony. So what I'm going to do here now, put this on the fire, speak my language. So as of now, in the school, it's in their curriculum to speak language also. When I was in school, it wasn't so much. They try to brainwash young ones to speak different languages like Japan, France. So I still got konnichiwa stuck in my head. Bonjour. The only time I learn about Japan is about sushi. So what I'm going to do here now, put this on the fire, speak in my language. It's very simple. Just have to walk around the fire once. Once again, this here is a cleansing process, cleanse up that negative energy, bad spirit that you may brought into our country. But most importantly, it will give you protection when you visit it. So you'll be protected by ancestral spirits. So spiritual first, physical second. So I'll get you to walk around the fire, get this lovely young lady to walk around. So she's going to be the head of the snake. Everyone walk around the mudja, get away with her, John got it. And also, what I said, get a wobble, give you a good spirit. My ancestors got there with Jenny. And Yalada means a very common word. Yalada means thank you, you're welcome. It's a lot of words in one, so meaning good morning, how things going, things are fine, yes, I understand, all in one. So I'll get you to say a new word today. You see it on the big shuttle buses. Did everyone say Yalada?
Yalada.
No worries. So come towards me, folks. I've got some